Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're finally back in the shop today, and we're going to work on this huge 5th scale HPI Baja 5B. Now this is an original model, so not an updated version. Due to the social distancing, we have been making content in Fortnite, which, as you can tell if you watch the videos, we suck. But it's a lot of fun. We still have fun making the videos, but we're going to try to get back into creating content that we know you love and that we love. So that's why we're back in the shop today. And we want to also say thank you for getting us to 100 subscribers. We are now at 116 subscribers, and we want you to help us get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. 90% of all the videos that we have are non-subscribers that are watching it. So if you are not a subscriber, hit that sub button and hit that like button so that way we can keep growing and bringing you more content. If you remember in the previous video when we worked on some RC cars, we were playing with these 12th scale electric. We had so much fun on the last video that we are going to do some more. Jimmy has this massive buggy here. Here is some video of him having a blast running it. And during that time, you know, he hadn't ran it in a long time. Got it out, played around with it, and then it's got some issues. But as you can see, it rips. So what we're going to do today is we're going to fix the pull cord. It's a little bit messed up. We're going to add a new air filter assembly along with an updated radio system from the 72 megahertz up to the 2.4 gigahertz system. So that way it will be much more responsive. There's a few issues of it lagging or it just glitching. Yeah, the tires kind of wobbling on their own. So we're going to, something is interfering with that. So we're going to go ahead and update this as well. Let's get into it.
So what we're going to do, as I was running it, this thing stays out, it won't retract. We're going to put a new one in. Ordered this, it was like $13 on Amazon. Let's get at it. This is relatively inexpensive. So it comes with extra screws. I don't need them. I'm just going to use the originals. Now we're going to see if it works. There we go. Now we're going to replace the radio. So I got this FlySky. I haven't had it out of the box. We're going to go ahead and open it up. The FlySky FS-GT3B. Link is going to be down below in the description. The link will be in the description down below if you want to get one of these. I've watched a lot of reviews on these. It's a good radio. I haven't opened this one yet, so here we go.
That looks like a nice radio.
Man, that is a nice radio. This is the first time I've ever had one of these. It actually, I can't tell. I got to take these quarantine gloves off. Oh, that's got a nice feel. It was like $45, something like that, free shipping on Amazon. Now it did come take a little bit to get here, due to a little slower shipping due to the pandemic and stuff. But hey, feel that.
Ooh, that feels good.
So it looked like it didn't come with the parts we need, the receiver and the bind plug. So we're not going to be able to do that today, but I do have a brand new air filter, a velocity stack that goes on top of the car. We're going to go ahead and put this on, and we may even fire this thing up and run it outside if it's not raining. After a little bit of finagling, we got it on, and we're going to fire it up and see how it rips. See if we've got everything on there, no kinks in the fuel line. We're going to see what happens.
It's unfortunate we didn't get to actually put on the new radio system, but you know what? We got something else we're going to do instead. We're going to put a handle on the top of this bad boy. That way we can hold it, carry it like we need to. It's a heavy piece of machinery. How much do you think it weighs? Like 50 pounds?
No, it's probably 25 maybe.
Oh, it's heavy. For an RC car, it's heavy. It's all metal. All the body and stuff, the frame is metal. We're going to put the handle on it, so let's get at it. Now we have a handle. Oh, it's pretty good. Ooh, oh, I do my exercises, my quarantine exercises.
Quarantine exercise.
Just a piece of advice, just a little tidbit. We didn't video it, but if you have an antenna that's broken, the tube is broken, you can take some shrink tubing, fix it right up. We took one piece and just gapped the hole, and we took another piece, put over top of it, just for rigidity and for strength, and it's perfect, back to normal. So now that we got the handle on, let's go rip this sucker. It's just like a weed eater.
Just like a weed eater.
Oh, you're tearing up my gravel.
Oh no, don't take it through that. Don't take it through that. Don't take it through that.
Man, this thing wants to go inside.
That's why you gotta be careful.
Man. That thing is a ripper.
Oh, I think it's out of gas.
Yeah, I think we're out of gas
I
now.
think that's all it's got.
Man, look at how dirty that thing got. She is a ripper for sure. We're going to clean this sucker up.
It's pouring the rain out, so everything's wet, so we're just going to dry it off and
Yep.
clean her up.
Clean it up. All right, we cleaned it up a little bit. Can't get these suckers 100% clean. But it was a lot of fun. It started raining on us, so all that grass just stuck to it. Mud, leaves, everything you can think of. But we had so much fun ripping this sucker. It's running good now. I think we're in a good position with this. We have some more content coming with some other awesome RC cars. So stay tuned for that. But with that said, we are going to be done with this video. Please stay tuned for the next one. It's going to be a blast. So God bless you and God bless America. Be empowered out. Quarantine got me looking all squatchy. I need a haircut. I need to shave. What do you think?
I think you look like Squatch.
Put down in the comments. You think I should shave or should I grow it out? I'm squatchy. I got patches. No, I'm not full blood squatch. So tell me in the comments, do you like Do you like the facial hair or should I shave it off? Don't ask my wife because she'll want me to shave it off.